What are signs during a consultation when they come in that they're going to end up being high maintenance?
Well, there's a difference in high maintenance and people that are not in reality. So high maintenance clients, I can handle no problem. I'm high maintenance myself. I like certain things a certain way. I'm a perfectionist, and you might know better than anybody. But I think that makes me a really good brow artist. I actually like high maintenance clients because I can listen and they know exactly what they want, which I like a lot because then I can what's the word? I can.
What's the word situation again?
I had a baby and my brain's gone. Okay, I can.
You know how many edits we have?
Probably
People don't. I mean, obviously, but I edit. What's that word I'm looking for?
No, the word like I can. When you can do that, like I can. Fudge.
Just continue on. Don't worry about the word. They're high maintenance. So basically, maintenance.
No, if they're high maintenance, I can definitely do what they want me to do. Okay. Now, if somebody is not realistic, like they're giving you unrealistic expectations, they come in with teensy tiny eyebrows, thin eyebrows, sparse eyebrows, whatever it may be, and they show you a picture of.
I love when they come in with this picture and you're like,
and I'm like,
this is like AI.
First of all, that's never going to happen. But you have to just be super honest with them,
authentic.
And you can't do something that, like, if you know somebody is going to be a difficult client, try to do the least amount of services. Like we actually just had this happen the other day with one of our brow artists. A very difficult client came in. She wanted a lamination, she wanted a brow wax, and she wanted a brow tint. Now the girl did not have much hair, very sparse hair. She was very low maintenance. And so the brow artist did what she wanted, but she didn't get the results because
it's unrealistic.
She didn't have the brows, and you have to just, that's where the consultation comes in. And if somebody is asking for something that you cannot do, just say, hey, look, I think you need to grow your brows out. Just like scrap the service because they're not going to be happy. And I've had to do that with certain clients where they're asking for something that I know that I cannot give them because they don't have
that's
what
why
it takes.
Consultations are very important.
But you can say, hey, look, I think you should start growing your brows out. If this is what you're looking for, if this is what you want, give them, recommendations, castor oil, whatever it is, growth serum, whatever it is, and then we can maybe, come back when that time is. But I would say, like, honestly, do as little as possible with them because they're never going to be happy.
Yeah, that's one. I mean, unrealistic clients are probably the biggest red flag in the industry, but consultation is very important. I mean, it's a red flag for a customer if a brow artist doesn't do a consultation.
Oh, for sure.
Like you have to do a consultation to understand them, to see what their realistic outcome would be.
Yes.
For them, but I mean,
and that's also your insurance policy for yourself. If you just start doing their brows and you don't know what they want, I mean, I could never do that. I even do that to clients that I've been seeing for 10 years. I still give them a mirror. I still go over it might be a very quick consultation, but I never just start going for it, like ever.
Yeah, agree.